Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to change the oil in my Ninja 650. As you can see, it's a bit dirty here. Um, the bike was just sitting in the basement for entire winter now. So it's nice springtime outside. So it's time to get it out. I'm going to change the oil, uh, maybe lube the chain and clean it up a little bit, and then we take it out for a spin. And this is my first time changing the oil on this motorcycle, and I'm doing myself. So I have all this stuff here. This is a Mobile 10W40 full synthetic racing oil. I have 2 quarts of this oil. I have this K&N 303 filter as well. I'm going to install a new filter, new oil, and have this washer for the drain plug. I don't have the nitrile gloves, so just doing with whatever I have available in the house right now. Alright, I think I need to take these panels away, and then I don't know, I'm not sure which side is the drain bolt. I think it's on this side. Yep, here is the drain bolt. I'm gonna take this off and drain the oil. You can see the oil is a bit dirty. So this is a Mobile 10W40 full synthetic racing oil. This is 2 quarts. Kawasaki specifies for 1.9 quarts, which is like almost 2. And the oil filter is a K&N 303. It has this bolt head on top, which makes it easier to like fit in and don't have to damage the filter. Yeah, oil is almost drained out. There's not good lighting here, so just bear with me. The filter is actually at a weird spot. I don't know if you can see it from the gap here. This is the filter. Oops, can't even see it. I'll have to take this panel out to access the filter. I'm using this filter removal tool, which is like a angular pliers. But we are almost there. Oops. And there's this spot with all the oil. I actually took the gloves off because it was annoying and was making some weird sounds. So this is the drain plug. I just cleaned it. It was like soaked in oil. I cleaned it, and this is the washer it had. Even though this one looks good, I'm still going to change it. I'm going to put this one, what is this called? Drain plug gasket. It's M12, by the way. So if you want to buy your own, you just buy the M12 size gaskets. I'm going to put this one and reapply the drain plug. Okay, my GoPro died for some reason, so I'm shooting in my phone. It's almost drained. When I added this washer, which is like a gasket and aluminum thing. Just making sure it's nice and tight. Yep, should be. I'm just gonna wipe the excess oil, and now it's time to change the filter. Alright, this is where the filter goes. There's already some oil on the ring, but still I'm going to apply some oil here. So the new filter is in. I'm just going to wipe it a little bit. Then I'll make sure it's tight and snug. This also uses same 17 mm socket. I feel like this is tight enough. I'm just going to wipe it out in case there's any oil around it. Alright, now the filter change is done. Going to put new oil in it. I wonder how it looks from inside. Can't really see it, but yep, the level is almost zero. There is some old dirty oil sitting in there, but it's fine. Yep, looks new and fresh. Put the oil in. I can. I certainly can. Just making sure it's not leaking from anywhere. It doesn't look like it's leaking. And it's going in, yep. The level is rising, which is good. Okay, I think I put enough oil in it. And now this looks clear. I think now I'm going to put this thing back. Alright. Looks nice and tight. Level is good. What's that? Interesting. I'm going to throw all this stuff away. And just like that, I did an oil change by myself. Huh. Good. Whew. Alright. The moment of truth. If it starts, I'm gonna take it out for a spin. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. It's in neutral. Yep. Okay. The first attempt was failure. Start it up. All right. Okay, I'm gonna take it outside and let the oil settle in and take it for a spin. I think that was a successful project for my first oil change. Huh. Good. Oh, all right. I take it outside. So I'm good to go. I'm kind of nervous. I'm getting that first ride feeling. Huh. I'm so nervous to take this out because it's been like 6 months since I rode last time. It's been 6 months. Whew. just like that I dropped it again. I don't think there's any other way around. Yes, finally I made it. Ooh. That's a W for the day. Alright, that was a fun ride. I'm just gonna fill the gas and go back home. Okay, it's filling. Alright, I'm just gonna go home. And I don't think I can shoot anything really because it's gonna get dark. So I'm gonna go to the store and get a couple things. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. It was fun doing oil change and my first ride of the season. Hope you guys enjoy your riding season, and we'll see you in the next one.